Okay, I'm working on a Poulan 3400 model 3400 counter vibe chainsaw. Anyways, seems to be a nice saw and lots of power. I like the exhaust how it comes out. But anyways, I lent it to a friend and it was running real good. And I got it back and I noticed it wasn't idling that great and low power. And I was like, oh boy, okay, so something's not quite right. So I noticed I was going to try to up the idle on it, and then I squeezed the trigger and I noticed the carburetor was moving. Look at that, it's loose. So that's something to look at on old saws when you got a minute, is make sure that all those, they backed off, like there's a couple screws in there, if you can see right down in there. She backed off, so manifold screws got loose. So without taking it apart, hopefully I can kind of weasel around here and get her back together. But that's something to take notice, is just have a, when you grab the saw and you pull the throttle, if it moves, well, you know something's not right, eh? So, good thing I caught it. I don't know how long it was run like that. Hopefully it's not. I never popped off the exhaust and I don't want to, so I'm just going to tighten it up and see what happens. But it was a damn good saw, so. Anyways, so that's that's a tip for you guys, is when you grab a saw and you look at it and you do the linkages, if you can move anything, it's time to tighten her up. Right on.